feel like doing some proper cool makeup today, yeah? What's with the sweet accent, you ask? Well, I don't know. That's me working on the British accent in it. You cringed at that? You're weak. Like proper weak sauce over there. Weak sauce with the steak sauce. I have not slept for an entire day or two. Can you tell? You're not, because my makeup skills do be intact still, kinda. But don't you just hate it when makeup? Exactly. Time to carve out this bitch. Okay, and then I take a really pale pink. That pink shimmer never hurt nobody. I fear that I am that bitch. And then some of this black shall go on the bottom. It's okay if it's a little messy. I can just clean it up. But the point of this whole thing is for it to be a little bit messy. Bit of inner corner shimmer, under eye glitter. And back with a full glam in 1, 2, 3. Isn't this so nice? Not gonna lie, it could be better. I didn't even put on mascara, but shh, get down. Other than that, I fear I slid. See you in the next video.